Why does your scanner show the P2788 engine code? What does it mean? P2788 is a diagnostic trouble code for auto shift manual adaptive learning at limit. This engine code indicates that this means the TCM is unable to properly adapt the transmission, shifting to the driver's current driving style. This can lead to symptoms like harsh idling, poor shifting, and potential transmission overheating. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Internal transmission problems, clutch slippage, transmission fluid issues, electronic issues, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda Vezel, Honda Fit, and Honda Grace. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.